ये मदद कर रहे हैं जैन सुल्तान बाजार।
Bir daha böyle soldu gel. Heh, tamam.
बहुत ही खूबसूरत।
Dur abi dur, ben çıkacağım, geri çıkacağım. Ama çıkmaya çalışıyorum, dur.
Abi senin renkli de yapmışlar. Yanlış anladın.
He doğru.
And this is a very good market, Sultan market, huh?
But don't put video, it's dangerous for us.
Oh yeah. Oh, he still? Yeah, but very small street.
Oh, here is good. In Sultan Ahmed area, more small.
More smaller.
Yes.
Wow. But this is all walking place for people.
Yes.
Motorcycle going there.
Car no entries here. Now I am entries here.
Mm-hmm.
Only I can wait 30 minutes inside.
Ah.
I will drop you. I have to exit. After, when you finish, you call me. I will come pick up you same places. Because they don't let me stop inside. You see, no parking area.
No parking area, yeah.
Is some
Because-
special car have, but they give the only 30 minutes. In 30 minutes, you no exit. They give you penalty 2,000 lira.
Auzubillah. Wow.
And 3 times you made this one, they block you. You cannot enter small. Next time, if you want to enter, they say no. You cannot enter. Why?
Because this is downtown, huh?
Yes, downtown and city center.
And city?
City center, this old city center.
Old city.
Old city. Istanbul, first Istanbul. Here, this area.
This is the first Istanbul.
Yes.
Wow.
Old in the castle Istanbul, you know?
Castle, yeah.
Yes. We say in castle.
Castle meaning Qila.
Kalla.
Oh, Qila in your language too?
Kale.
Qila, yeah.
Kale. We
Kale.
say in Turkish kale.
Kale, wow.
In Arabic say kal'a.
Qala, yeah.
Qala.
In Urdu, Pakistani Qala.
Kala. Yes. Same.
Yeah.
Our language same. Coming same places, same seats.
Oh yes, same seat. Yeah.
देखिए हम यहाँ पर कितनी ब्रांडेड दुकान
Oh yes. Wow. Now we will come enjoy inshallah more than
I work here
huh.
17 years.
Oh,
I show you where I work.
you were working here.
After 100 meters.
Ah,
I work this show here 17 years. When I come here, I am 13 years old.
from where?
From my city is different. Şanlıurfa in Turkey.
Oh,
Different city. Cities of Ibrahim alayhi salam, Eyüp alayhi salam.
wow.
Şanlıurfa.
Shalom.
Şanlıurfa. Is near the border of Syria. Near Sham.
Oh,
near
border of
Kudus.
Sham.
Near there. I work here. Hey, madam, where are you going?
You are working here?
Yes, here. No, here. This have shawl.
Oh,
I
this
work
one,
here.
huh?
No, here.
Shawl,
Yes,
shawl.
this street, this road.
Ah.
17 years I work here.
I hope they were not paying good money.
Sorry?
They were paying good?
No, I work for myself. I carry something from shop to cargo.
Oh.
I have pickup before.
You are very smart since first day, huh?
Now I start pickup. After pickup is very strong, difficult. For a while we don't want to more do this job. I changed my job.
Yeah, because a lot of hard working.
Yes,
maybe, huh?
I have to carry every day a lot of bags.
This is all the Grand Bazaar, huh?
No. Here is Gedik Pasha.
Okay.
This place is named Gedik Pasha. Is there generally have shoes and sleep and have bags?
Bags.
Yes, lady bags.
Motorcycle, very good motorcycle. See?
here they entries everywhere. No have limit for them anything.
See, motorcycle.
Gel ya gel.
Yalla. What's a yell?
Gel is meaning come.
Tourism police.
This is Turkish car, you know?
Yeah, this one?
Yes. This is electric Turkish car. Original Turkish car. Not by different
See,
country.
he's working hard too.
Yes. He's working with hand like this. Before we make by pickup, but now is car is no entries. Car is no entries.
Allahu Akbar, look. Bike
This place is only like this, you know. Another place is not have like this.
like crazy.
Yes. After 5 o'clock, I cannot come up. I can stop around here.
Really? After 5 o'clock?
Yes, they closed it here. Maybe
Only
I
walking.
come different way to near there. Okay.
MashaAllah.
Now I drop you there. You cross the road is Grand Bazaar. Okay?
Bigger than this, huh?
Just like Chawal.
This is shopping, open shopping. Grand Bazaar is closed. Close.
Close.
Yes.
Closing, huh?
No, close.
Acha, oh, close.
Yes. Sky. No, you cannot see the sky.
Aha.
Up close.
Up close.
And it's market. Close market.
Close market, yeah.
Here the end.
Oh, this is the
You have
end, huh?
to pass
We like...
Frutti. This is water channel with Ottoman time.
oh, this is?
Yes, this is water channel.
Water channel of-
up have channel. This water bring the outside city in city center.
At the time of Ottoman Empire, huh?
Yes.
Wow.
This is bicycle market.
Oh,
You see, bicycle and baby chair like this.
and baby chair.
Yes.
Wow. Now where are you going?
We go to Grand Bazaar.
Grand Bazaar,
Yes.
mashallah.
This is jewelry and
Grand Bazaar, very big
gift
market.
shop. Big, very very big shop.
Ah,
This is first. How do you think it? Ottoman time.
Castle of Istanbul. ये castle है. This is all castle in Istanbul. This was first castle. What was his name? Sultan?
Istanbul.
Istanbul, yeah.
Yani
Constantine, yeah.
Constantine, but first Istanbul, old city.
Old city.
Yes.
What king name was?
Fatih Sultan Mehmet.
Fateh Sultan Mahmud. Mehmet. MashaAllah.
Muhammad. This is
Muhammad,
his
huh?
Fatih Istanbul.
Fateh. Oh, Fateh. He
Yes.
conquered
1453.
104.
No,
1453
53.
century.
Yes, century.
MashaAllah. See, this is the beauty of Istanbul. And I have a very smart guide. He's driving
Thank you very
and
much.
yeah, and showing us a lot of things, sir. So if you guys like to visit Istanbul, you can hire this gentleman. He's a very honorable person.
Thank you very much.
My dear, if you spend little money and you are visiting a lot, then you are not losing, you are gaining. If you are touring city in Istanbul and you are watching a lot of new historical things, especially Islamic. Hey, what is the lake?
No, this is Golden Horn.
Golden Heart.
Golden Horn.
Horde.
Sea. This is sea, but Golden Horn name. We say Haliç.
Halij.
Yes.
Ah.
But sea, no exit.
Oh, see.
Horn.
Horn. Wow.
Horn, what mean you know?
Horn. Boop, boop.
No, horn. Horn.
H-O-R-N?
You see, you think code have horn.
Oh,
This
okay.
is horn.
This is horn.
Boynuz.
Buenos.
Yes. Khalij. In Arabic.
Khalid,
say-
yeah,
Khalid.
Khalid. Sea, samundar.
Yes. See, but no exit.
Sea, but no exit, huh?
Yes, I show you. on the
Wow.
map. Look. Sorry.
Look, the gentleman showing us sea, but not exit. Very beautiful. Look like clean. Look, he is showing you. He will show you a lot.
Look. We
Aha.
are here.
Uh-huh.
This is Bosphorus Sea coming inside,
Huh.
but no exit.
But no exit.
Yes. Finish it inside city.
Inside city. Wow, good.
Like horn.
Like horn. Yeah.
Yes.
That one, huh?
See?
Oh.
See here?
Yeah. Yeah, we can see it.
Yes. Like this.
MashaAllah. By the Istanbul city. See?
Now we will go to Grand Bazaar.
Grand Bazaar. We are going to see Grand Bazaar in Istanbul city. And people are waiting for what? Those are people? They are watching?
Tramway. No. Tramway station.
Oh, metro.
Metro like tramway.
Metro.
Not metro. Metro underground.
Oh,
This is tramway.
tramway. And
Yes.
look, sheep.
Ship. This is have a private tour. Also have a group tour Bosphor trip. You
Ah.
can, if you want, we can do this one.
Yeah, next time we
But
will
not,
come.
Not today. Today is take your time.
Oh, yes, sir. We do not have time. Wow, this is all bus?
Tram,
No,
tram.
this tram.
Oh,
Yes.
Tramway. Tramway.
tramway. Wow.
How say in English?
Look like bus.
Yes, long like the
Long.
train. This is train.
Like a train, yeah.
Yeah.
Bad. MashaAllah. Look like beautiful. I like water. I love.
Yes, water is good. It's sea. This is sea. This is not normal sweet water.
Wow, salt.
Yes,
Ah,
this is Marmara Sea.
this is Marmara Sea.
Yes,
This is
Marmara
not-
Sea between Black Sea and White Sea.
This one
Yes,
between Black and White Sea.
yes.
MashaAllah.
Marmara Sea.
Marmara. Okay.
This you see the bridge.
Yeah.
This is tramway metro sea bridge.
Oh yeah,
And
mattress.
also have car bridge. And
Yeah,
also have Bosphor bridge. Bosphor bridge very big, very big.
Oh.
Have 3 Bosphor bridge.
Here.
Yes, in Istanbul. Also have in Istanbul under sea car tunnel.
Car tunnel.
Yes, tunnel 2-way
Wow.
from Istanbul city. You know, is between Asia and Europe.
Oh yeah. Asia and Europe.
Yes, we are now in Europe side.
Oh, this is Europe.
We can go by tunnel under sea.
Oh, under sea.
Yeah, under Marmara Sea.
Huh.
Go to Bosphor.
Bosphor.
Under Bosphor, we can pass under Bosphor in the tunnel. Go to Asia side. Also, Asia side, we can come to Europe side.
Oh, from tunnel.
Tunnel, yes.
Wow.
Yeah,
A big tunnel.
yeah, big tunnel.
When they made?
This about 7 years.
Wow.
Seven years year ago.
Only
Here have Turkish delight like this. You want
Turkish what?
Turkish delight, Turkish.